Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting a cloud provider and instance size because that shapes cost and performance. Create your account and enable billing, then set up multi-factor authentication so access is secure. Generate an SSH key pair on your machine and copy the public key into the cloud console. This avoids password logins. Once done, choose an image, a lightweight Linux distro, or an image with pre-installed stacks. Make sure to tag resources for tracking and to note region and zone choices. Now launch the instance with the selected image and attach your SSH key so you can connect immediately. Once booted, SSH in and update the OS packages, then install essential tools like a firewall, fail2ban, and monitoring agent. Attach and format any additional storage, mount it at a predictable path, and update fstab for persistence. Configure security groups or cloud firewalls to restrict traffic to necessary ports. If you need a fixed endpoint, assign a static or elastic IP at this stage. Deploy your application stack next. Use Docker containers for repeatability or install packages directly. Configure a reverse proxy like Nginx and connect your database with proper credentials. Obtain and install TLS certificates using Let's Encrypt and automate renewal so certificates never expire unexpectedly. Configure automated backups and enable monitoring and alerts for CPU, disk, and memory. If things go wrong, check system and application logs first, then verify firewall and security group rules. Often a blocked port or wrong IP causes failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.